Yo, yo, yo. I think I'm here. Recording, streaming. Yes. All right. Um, it's not. There we go. There we go. All right. Per usual, bear with me as I get set up. Indeed. That's a good point. Okay. Um, if you can hear me, say hey in the chat. Make sure, per usual. Everything looks good, though. And so I guess I'll just test it myself. That's funny. Cool. All right. Well, I don't need an audience. I mean, it's sad that I don't. You want? Okay. Yay. Okay. Cool. Yay. Cool. Makes me feel better that it's not 0, even though it says. Okay. Things that matter. Okay. So yesterday I worked on ink a bunch and live streamed some of it, and that stream was it was rough. But it kept working, and some people stayed, so that was nice. Thank you. So I just made a list here quickly on my iPad of the things I need to do today. I made red ones, the important ones. So I'm just going to go fix those 3 first and then go down the rest. I sketched out some ideas here for some other designs. So we'll work on that after. So looks like it's going to be mostly iOS stuff and one JavaScript thing today. So it is also noon. I haven't eaten lunch, so I don't know how long this will be, but we'll see. I'll fix the JavaScript thing first because I think it'll be really fast. Oh. Cool. Okay. So in Chrome, this doesn't work. So in Safari, yesterday I built. It centers the canvas. So the canvas is actually like enormous. If you zoom out and you can't even see it all. It's like super huge. So when you load the page, it centers it, which is essential because otherwise you can't see anything because it's so big. And then on Chrome, it doesn't work. So it doesn't log anything. It just doesn't work. And I don't know why. Does it work in Firefox? No? Okay. It's weird that something works only in Safari. I feel like it's usually the other way. I'm going to minimize the chat, but if you want me to talk about something or have a question, put it in there and I'll check it from time to time. 12 people. Crazy. Hi, everyone. Okay. I always feel bad closing that. I feel like it's going to stop working. I know that's not the case, but. Oh, I think maintenance is back. Yeah. Okay. Well, stand by. Hello? Hey. Okay. Let's see. What's today? Tuesday. Do you know about a unit we could use to do laundry between now and then? Okay. I'll stop by later, get some packages, and I'll ask him about it then. That works. Thanks, man. Bye. Okay. My washer is leaking oil, so that sucks. They have to come repair it on Thursday. They said I can use a vacant unit between now and then to do laundry, so that's cool. Anyway. Cool. Where was I? Yes, doing work. So, I thought he was going to come back. My phone notification before was Nest that he's outside, so he just called. That was nice. Yes, assets. Let's see what's up here. So, my font's still big because I haven't worked since the stream on web stuff. So, okay. Some pretty crappy JavaScript here. Uses jQuery. Don't judge me. To figure out the size and then set it up. So I'm guessing either this is running too early or it's just not finding things. So let's just try it manually in Chrome and see what's up. That'll do it. Is this not $? Okay. Viewer. Oops. Really? Can you not do div like this in Chrome? That works. How did it not work the first time? Oh, it's undefined. I see. It did work. It just, the console's not doing what I expect. Okay. Container should be a DOM element. Yep. This should be a DOM element. Yep. Okay. Cool. Setting the visibility, so that's working. Is this just not what I'm expecting? What's the width? That's working. Well, that's dumb. That should be a thing. I guess I can just do .width and what? Base val? This is ridiculous. Seriously? That's how you get... Who designed this? Does this work in Safari? That's absurd. Okay. Well, that's what we'll do instead. That's real stupid. Oh, this is... I need to run it locally. Duh. Oops. Well, I can stay up, I guess. Okay, still centers. What about Chrome? Still centers and Firefox. Great. I'll change my font here too. I need to set titles. It's ridiculous. I think this is production. Yeah, okay. A checkmark would be more pleasing. I'm going to do checkmark. Need undo. A little slow. Oh, it's because I just deployed. That's why it's taking a while. Cool. Oh, reconnected, so that's nice. Good work, WebSocket. Okay. Also wanted to do Remember Me on web because I have to sign in every time I go to the website. Not a big deal. We can come back to that. It's not important. I'll do the important stuff first. So right now, Universal App Links 404 on the app. So let's figure that out. Unfortunately, we can't test this on the simulator, so that's okay though. We can just do it from Xcode, and it should be easy enough to see. I'm going to quit some things. What's bouncing? No. Cool. Okay. I should just make another. I'm going to do it. Duplicate default. Should have done that a long time ago. Okay. So let's run it on the device. I'm just going to put this right there. Cool. How's that? Okay, so it is not locked. I bet it's like getting symbols, maybe? No? Okay. It's not locked. It is caught on my display, though. All right. Was it working on? Cool. Is this used in production? I don't think it is. It's not. I'm gonna fix this right now. This drives me nuts. So on sign in, I use the check for Safari credentials, and it always uses the web or the production credentials, which makes sense. I'm gonna do if I think I'm just gonna not do this in development because it'll save some time. If I can type, jeez. I feel bad about doing this, but not that bad. Okay. Great. Okay. So the problem is if I tap a link that I texted someone or, whatever, I tap a link on my phone, it should open in the app, but it's not. So let's figure out why that's happening. Maintenance again, I think. Hello? Hey. Okay. Okay. Thanks so much. All right, bye. Um, I'll just remember it. It'll be fine. I don't want to write it down on the screen, and I broke it on my phone. Okay. It's fine. I'll remember. Okay. Stuff. What was I doing? The continue. Yeah. Okay. So I already have a breakpoint. That's great. Let's go ahead and tap a link. Like that. And there we go. Okay. So I just tapped a link to ink on my web or on my phone. Okay, we got those. I think this is all going to work all the way through, but let's find out. Okay, let's see. What's the board ID here? debugger. Bad access. Oh, it didn't work. What's the URL? Interesting. Maybe this is old? Something's messed up. I love when the tools just work. Okay. Really? That's unexpected. Yeah, that's what I want. Guess I should make the console font bigger too. Let's see. Bold, bold, bold. First two and the last one. This one's regular. Cool. All right. Really? This is nil? I can't imagine that's nil. Oh, I know why. Yep, that's why, right here. So if it's, I should just remove this check. I'm going to do that, and we're done. Okay. No, I'll do it only in production. Okay. The amount of if production stuff here is a little concerning, but I'm right with it for now. No, I added this for a reason. Okay. Staying. Okay. Because I would use the wrong API to look up the thing and it wouldn't work. And okay. We're just going to switch the device to production and that'll fix the problem. Basically, the device is running against my local host, or it was until just now. And it was checking to make sure the link was matching the same API we're hitting. And if it's not hitting that same API, then it would say the link's invalid. So we don't try to go look up the link on the wrong API, which just like wouldn't work. So, yeah. Okay. Great. That first unauthorized link in the console there is because we were signed in on the local API, and that account doesn't exist on production, obviously. We're not found. Great. Okay. So we got all the way to here, and it didn't work. I bet I know why, actually. I bet it's a UID versus slug issue, but we will find out. Okay. Show board. Boards. Yeah, let's just breakpoint here. Okay, well, what is the URL we're hitting? Where's the board ID first? Board ID. Okay, there's the board ID, and if you go to show board, it's just hitting boards on the API, so that should work. Let's just and that requires authentication. Well, that's annoying because we're in production and I don't want to show my production ID, but let's just look at the code, I guess, in the API. Boards, controller, show, find board. Where do we do that? Find board. That's in the API board, helper. Finds it by the slug. Oh, it's because it's only for the current user. That makes sense. So if you share any board that's not yours, it won't show it to you, and we shouldn't do that. We should just find any old board, and that's okay. I think. Let's write a test. Oh, we need to migrate the database. Okay, and let's write a new test. Boards test API. Test show. I like a space after this stupid comment. So every file I'm opening, I'm doing it, but I don't want to do it in like all the files. It's stupid. I should just do it everywhere. So we want another user. So we'll just not specify it, and it'll be some new random user, which is great. And that should still work. Great. Okay. Fixed a bug. Let's ensure that it works. It shouldn't let me draw on it though. We should test that. Well, no beta testers mess it up right now. I don't think anyone will. I'm okay with it. Layers. Create layer. Test create permission. What's the size code here? It's not like unauthorized. I think it's forbidden is the one I want. 400. Yeah, it's forbidden. 403, forbidden. Okay. So yeah, I guess I haven't checked this in a while. Anything? I started on Ink like just over a month ago, but I haven't worked on it for most of that time because I've been slacking off during the day. I'll explain the Swift more as I go through it. Good call. I'm using Rails 5 right now, Patrick. Yeah, just the latest, whatever Rails version this is. Bundle show Rails 5.0.2 currently. Cool. So let's test this. I think this test is going to fail because I haven't written any of this code, which makes sense. And there it is. So let's fix that. So layers, controller. So right now you can draw on anyone's board, and that's obviously not ideal. So let's turn that off. We'll definitely have control over this down the road. You can like unlock a canvas or whatever. But for now, they're all locked to just you. So boards, board. This should be find board. I'm gonna change this API board to be, well, yeah, I'll do ensure board permission. Cool. Let's try that out. Layers controller. So before action, only create, update, and I don't have destroy anymore, so let's not do that. Okay, seems fine. I need to write a test for update, but that should be good. I guess I can do it in board 2, boards controller. Why is it nil? Where am I? So I got a song stuck in my head and got like super distracted, which is funny. Find board needs to go first, so we'll do return if I think that's what we want. Nope. Why is board nil? Where's it coming from? Layers test 77. Oh, it's testing update. Okay. What's up? What's up here? Find board. Show update. Find board. Oh, it should do it in create. And oh, I see. Okay. Unless. Okay, so find. Something bad happened. I don't know. It's fine. Really, I should throw an error and have Sentry find it and then do that, but whatever. Double renders all over the place. I'm guessing. I don't know what the problem is. Oh, and I should return. Yep. I guess I should do it here. You're not the owner of this layer. I'll just do of this layers board. Just to have a little more clarity in my debugging. Okay. Broke some of the tests. I think these are probably all fine. The test is wrong, but let's find out. Okay. You're not the owner of this board. Layers test 23. This is good. We should have done this a long time ago. Do it the other way. Really, we should do here this board. Where are we making the board? Board. It should be, right? That's a bug. Let's figure it out. This is taking some time. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay. Let's see. So the problem is it thinks we're not the right user when we are. This is really a brittle before filter. I feel bad about it. Ensure board permission. I'm going to do that. And then if I'm going to do ensure layer permission, have it be separate because this is doing too much. Great. Okay. So in the boards controller, board controller, not that one. Boards controller API. There we go. Great. That one can stay. And then in layers controller, we can do ensure board permission only for create. And then we can do before action ensure layer permission only update. That should fix it. And it didn't, but let's figure this out. So you are not the owner of this board on layers test 37. I didn't expect this to be so specific. You're not the owner of this board. I totally am. Right there. User. Signed in as that user. What's the deal here? I guess we'll print some stuff. Do I have pry installed? That might be nice. Yeah, it's fine. Or bybug. I bet I have bybug installed. Where is that? Board, API board. Can I do that? Oh, great. BT for backtrace. Let's see. Did we come from... This is organized in an annoying way. Where's my test? There we go. Boards test line 60. Which should be fine, so we can just say continue. Layers test 35. I think this is where we want to be. Yeah, okay. So, what is the board? Nope. I mean board. Okay. What is our current user? It's the same. That failed. I really don't like bug. I'm just going to quit. Yes, I want to quit. Okay. It's too hard to like see anything. At least I'm just spoiled from Swift. Boards test 61. How do I run just one test again? I can never remember. Mini test, run one test. I wonder if M still works. I used to contribute to this. I kind of doubt it though, but M, test, integration, API, layer. Oh, it works. Fantastic. So you could just say this, and it'll only run that one test in theory. Fantastic. Cool. So let's fix this test. Great. So now bybug's a little better because you can like filter to just knowing it'll get called once, and you can kind of understand your state a little easier instead of trying to like inspect what happened. Okay, so what is layer here? Okay, do we have layer.board.user ID? Do we have current user.id? Those are the same. Oh, I'm an idiot. Return if. If it's already what I want, return. Otherwise, render the error. I'm a dummy. Thanks, Chris. Great. That's more what I expected. Okay. Expected nil not to be nil and layers test line 48. Actually, we did want that to be nil because I just copied and pasted the test wrong, and we should be good to go. All the things are fixed. Okay. I'm getting hungry. So I could either make peanut butter and jelly or order pizza or make a frozen pizza. It's actually not raining right now. I could go out of the house, which would be weird. Don't get me wrong. It's not supposed to rain until the rest of the day. This is fantastic. I am definitely going to go out of the house today. This is great. Okay, so let's see if this works on the phone now. I'll restart here. I also noticed another UI bug while we were doing this on the phone, so we can fix that as well. What's the temperature? It's kind of cold in here. 63. What is it inside? I have a window open over somewhere else. $68. That's acceptable. All right, whatever. Cool. This is going. Oh, I was like, it didn't work, but there's a breakpoint. Because I'm a big dummy. Yay, it works. Can I? Well, the app will still let me draw, so let's fix that. I think what I'll do. Yeah, let's just test it real quick. The app should let me draw, which is not ideal, but it should go away. Let's find out. Can I handoff couldn't be completed. I need to figure out how to do handoff on that. Okay. Well, and drew under 2. Yay, it didn't show up. Okay. Good to go. Cool. So that's fixed. I need to figure out this thing. I'll add that to my list. I'm gonna erase this. What was I about to add? Darn it. Well, I'll add handoff. I'm gonna order pizza because I'm getting a lot done. I guess I'll do it on my iPad. You don't need to see my information. Papa John's. I really like Papa John's. Not gonna lie. Their app sends you annoying push notifications, which I know I could turn off, but I just feel like I should punish them, so I deleted it, which makes ordering a lot harder for me. So really, I'm just being stupid. I should just have the app. It'd be faster. What do I want? I'll get something a little different. Add it to cart. Extras. You gotta always get the extra dipping sauce, because if you run out, what's the point of pizza? Am I right? Check out. Yep. Oops. Typoed the security code. Ordered. Fantastic. Okay, so I was going to do handoff. Man, I really should leave the house, but I'm getting a lot done. Screw it. Let's get a lot done. Handoff. I was going to do something else. Gosh darn it. What was it? Oh, I was going to fix that animation. Well, I wasn't going to write that down, but I guess I will. Well, I forgot what it was. I don't know. I was going to do something else. Let's fix that lock icon and the link close. I guess the link close is a higher priority. And that's going to drive me nuts. And we should be good to go for that, I guess. Okay. A lot of text. Jeez. Anything important? Nope. I mean, friends, but nothing I need to attend to. Okay. What was I gonna do here? Any comments? Surely there's some like, gosh, this is so boring, because I can't imagine. Oh yeah, pizza. You're right. I got some pizza. Okay. So yeah, what was I doing? Let's fix the lock icon. Let's do that, and then we'll do the link close stuff, or the 404 close stuff, and then we'll fix the regular close, and then we can do a new build whenever we want, because that'd be cool. The deploy worked great. Oh yeah, we already verified it. Okay. First I need to text someone or make a link somewhere to a crap thing. Can I do this in the simulator? I don't believe I can. Well, you can try it. I don't think this is going to work in the simulator. I don't know if you can see I have some electric drums over there. I got for my birthday. Big fan. Put some new songs on it. You can like store songs on the drums and like play to them with the headphones. Put some more songs on there the other night, and it's having a good time. So, is this production? I think it's production. Yep. Let's not do that. Specifically, Writing on the Wall by Under Oath. Big fan of that. The drums don't like make noise really when you play them. They're really quiet. I wish I could like sing really loud and it would also not make noise. That'd be fun. I'm sure my neighbors would be like, "Why is there someone randomly yelling about something?" Yeah, that just doesn't work. Oh, does it? It works on iPhone. Why does it not work on? Frustrating. Okay, so let's try the Universal App Link. So this is going to be whiteboard.inc/b/ yeah. Doesn't work on the simulator. Sad. Yep. Aaron Gillespie is one of my favorite drummers. Just say no. It's the Under Oath drummer / singer. Oh no, my computer's doing it again. Just unplug it. Did that fix it? Force quit? No. This sucks. I don't know if you watched yesterday. This was very difficult to remedy. Okay, I'm gonna unplug my computer and plug it back in, unless this will work right away. And if the stream drops, I'll tweet it again and make a new one. But yesterday it just kept working, so we can try that. The stream's not going slow. It's literally like a frame every 4 seconds or something ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Come on. Okay, still can't use my computer. Okay, how's that? Is this still working? Settings. Oh, I see. It's not working. Let's oh jeez. I'm guessing you can't see my screen. Let's try this again. What is going on over here? Display capture. Back on. Just delete it and try to add it again. See if that works. Display capture. Is it still working? Let's see. Looks like I'm back. Let me know in the chat if you can see it. 7 people stuck around. Cool. I think it's that app's fault. I think because I don't know. I have to run stuff on my phone. It's just how this works. So hopefully it'll stay. All right. Thanks. Cool. My computer is doing slow still. I need to research some HDMI inputs for my PC if I'm going to keep my PC. I'm kind of debating to sell my PC along with my LG display and some other stuff, and trying to get some camera gear. We talked about that yesterday. It's all good. All right. So my computer is so warm right now. Jeez. All right. Please don't freak out. One of my friends just made iMessage accounts on his son's iPod Touches. I think they're like 3 and 5 or something like that. Which I think is super cool. So he just texted me. He's like, if you want to send them dive photos, feel free. I think it's pretty neat. He could be at work and like text his son some stuff. Picture him being goofy or something. I don't know. I think it's cool. Why didn't it open in the app? Frustrating. I guess I need to like click it and not enter it in Safari. I'm just gonna. What's the best way to do this? I guess I'll just text it to someone randomly. Okay. Great. That's the state we wanted to be in. And if we hit done, it goes away. So I'm going to try. This may be asking for trouble. I'll try to show you what this looks like. Working from home here. That's what that was. And Xcode's losing its mind. Fine. Can this work now, please? Oh, not microphone. I want the video. I don't care about my audio. None. Can I check it? Whatever. Okay. So when I dismiss one, it looks like that, which is not ideal, obviously. So let's see if we can figure out how to fix this. So this is in loading view controller. And when there's an error, it calls close. And this pops, which is probably not what we want. So we've changed how this works. So what does editor do when it closes? Should be the same. It's just going dismiss. Okay. And when we show the editor, how's that work? We present it as a modal. With a custom presentation thing, we should really encapsulate, but I'm gonna just be disgusting and do it in the app delegate. Oh, this is gross. This is gross. So navigation controller is not nil. We already know that. And we're going to do that. And we're going to say navigation controller, top view controller. Ugh, it really needs like the board. This is gross. I feel bad about this, but I just want it to work. So boards view controller equals navigation. I'm just not going to do the I'm just going to present it, and the animation's not going to look good. But that's okay. Okay, let's try that. Cool. So I guess I could have clicked that. Which is what we expect. It should be, whatever. Oh, I'm just clicking that video. It doesn't do anything. Cool. That works now. I just want to watch it one more time. Yeah, that works for me. Okay. Fixed. Yeah, I know. Okay. Now, let's try the close one, because that's also very important. So the problem is on iPhone, I believe this works. And let's test it on iPad and see if that doesn't work. Or worst case scenario, it only doesn't work on device. I want to handoff after this because I think that would be fun. I think I'm on production. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that worked. I just clicked the button and it worked. Okay. Well, let's try it on iPad. A lot of waiting as life as an iOS developer. All right. Oh, pizza's here. right. Also got a package, which I'm excited about. This may have been stupid, because I kind of just want to eat now, instead of keep working on this. Bring up the stairs. But if that was the case, I should have just gone somewhere, because it's actually pretty nice out. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. What was I doing? I was going to do the lock icon and close. Well, let's just test close real quick. Totally works. Device only. Awesome. Well, especially since the device destroys my computer sometimes, I'm going to eat my lunch and work on this some more later. I probably won't stream the rest because none of it is that interesting, I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. We'll say hi on Twitter if you have questions or want to hear about some stuff, or leave a comment. I read all the comments. Thanks for watching. That was a pretty disappointing last few minutes if you were still watching that. Yes.